Hello everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. Today we got a little special one because I'm getting a little modification, a very small modification done to my truck today, and I'm very excited about it because I've been wanting this for a very long time and I finally am able to do it. So you guys will see later today what old Black Beauty is going to get done. I'll just give you a little preview of what's going to go into my truck today. Just a small little preview. Another thing, I think it's funny, every single time I have a day off, we have beautiful weather leading up, and then when I have my day off, I don't know if you can tell, but it's starting to rain. I just love it. Terrific Virginia weather. We made it. It's time to go get this thing put in. Some of you might have guessed what is happening to my truck today, but if not, I'll give you a little heads up just to show a before and after shot. So we're getting rid of this old grandpa stereo, and we're gonna put in a touchscreen, and then also we're gonna get 4 new speakers in the doors. So I'm really excited about it. Next time you see this stereo, it'll be brand new. This message goes out to all you guys. Make sure you always treat your woman like a queen, and also get her some fruity snacks, because you know they like their fruity snacks. Also leave them a little note and put it on their card when they're at work and you have the day off. All I got right now is a little cologne sample thing, but that'll do. And just set it on their windshield and leave. So I just thought of an idea. Well, here's also a sneak peek. I do own a bass boat, and you'll be getting a lot of videos of that in the spring and summertime, so look forward to that. And we also have kayaks, so we're going to try to do some kayaking adventures. And then another idea that I just thought of today is we have our old Gator sitting in here. It's a 6-wheeled Gator, and I think I'm going to try to get it back running again and put some modifications on it or something like that. And then I'm also going to try to build like a gun rack or gun mount on the back and turn this into like a shooting mobile. So yeah, you guys comment down below and leave a like or anything if you think that I should do that, do a modification to the Gator. And also hit that subscribe button, because I mean, if you want to keep posted with all our videos coming up, then hit that subscribe button. I just got that magical call, so you know what that means. Let's go check out the truck. Well, it got done, and boy does it look good. I'll tell you what, it looks a whole lot better than that old grandpa thing I had in here. So here's what she looks like. Got 4 new door speakers as well. Have a little jam session. It's gonna be muted for y'all because of copyright, but we're still gonna do it.